Hi everyone, we're Iowa Andhi, Iowa's co-ed South Asian Fusion dance team here on campus, and we are here to teach you some Garba moves.
For their GRBB event, and we hope you learn some Garba tonight to be able to rock the dance floor on Saturday. So let's get started. So the first step is going to look like a left shuffle and a right shuffle. So first we're going to shuffle with our left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle. All right. So now we're going to take the left shuffle and right shuffle and put a little bit of a twist into it. So this is how it's going to go. So we're going to do a left shuffle, a right shuffle, turn back, left shuffle, forward, right shuffle. Left shuffle, right shuffle, back shuffle, right shuffle. All right, let's try that one more time. All right, so again, that's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left shuffle, right shuffle, back shuffle, right shuffle. Left shuffle, right shuffle, back shuffle, right shuffle. All right. So that is the basic footwork that we're going to have throughout our entire the Garba that we teach you tonight. So with that, we're going to put the hands to it. So the hands, it's going to look like a bend forward clap, straight hips, bend forward clap, straight hips. So this is going to look like whenever you're left shuffling, you're going to bend down and clap. Whenever you're right shuffling, you're going to be on your hips. So let's try that together. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle. Left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle. All right. So now that you have the feet and hands put together, now we're going to take the same step and we're going to put it in a circle. So we're going to form a circle. And this is how Garba traditionally looks. We just did it in a line in order to kind of teach you the move so it's easier for you to learn from video. So this is how it's going to look in a circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap, hip, clap, hip. Left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle. Left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle. All right, good work. So that is the first part of our Garba move. So now I'm going to teach you the second part. So the hands are going to look like little lotus flower hands. If you can't see that, I'm going to come a little bit closer. So your fingers are just going to be kind of twisted into a little lotus flower shape. So now with that, we're going to do our right hand first, and we're going to do a little sweep outward. So right sweep, left sweep, and we're going to have a circle, turn. Don't worry about what your hands are doing up here, just let them free. So right swipe, left swipe, circle, and around. So now let's put that with the feet. So your right leg, is going to start with your right hand. So it's going to look like this. Left shuffle, right shuffle, up and around. Left shuffle, right shuffle, up and around. So the feet with this, so the movement is not going to change altogether, but so the rhythm is going to stay the same. Left shuffle, right shuffle, but this time you're going to turn around. So last time it was a back and a back. This time you're just going to turn all the way around. So let's try this in a sequence. So let's do the arms again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, circle and around. Out, out, circle and around. All right, so that is the second half of the Garba move. Now let's put that together with the first one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, circle and around. Left shuffle, right shuffle, circle and around. Out, out, circle and around. All right. So now let's put those two together. So let's stay in the circle. And in the circle, so we're going to combine the clap with the hips and the circle, or the out, out, circle and around. So this is what it's going to look like. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap, hip, out, out, circle and around. Clap, hip, out, out, circle and around. Again, clap, hip, out, out, circle and around. All right, and that is the Garba step. Thank you so much for watching us tonight.
We are Iowa Andhi. We are so excited to see you guys tonight. Come watch us perform, and we will see you on the dance floor.